Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody was asking me a while back. I made a video about resizing circles, and it is pretty cool. But if you want to make these four circles, so this is a 5-inch circle. These are 5-inch circles. Well, let's say you want to make these four. If you will, and I'm going to show you why there's a better macro than this. But this is from Engraving Concepts called Resize Circles. Then we hit start. You need to put 0 on the old one, and then you want to put it 4 for 4 inches, and then set diameter. So that's these, and then exit. That's just by Engraving Concepts, and it is a cool macro. And if we go to Corel or the web and go to engravingconcepts.com, and then go to resources, and then go down to Corel macro, there's a whole list of macros, and you can download the whole package. But some of these are repetitive ones I've had. This is resize circle, resize selection. So there's another macro out there, and I will leave a description to it. So this is the old one. We're going to go to my other Corel, and this one is called Adjust Objects Retain Position. So this will work on other than just circles. Let's make this thing, let's delete that copy I made, and let's make them all the same, and let's make them 4 inches. And then let's make some duplicates and select all these and go to, and I'll leave a link to, I've done a video on this, but I'll leave a link to this. And you open up this and you go, well, these are 4 inches, but now I want them to be 5 by 5. And the advantage of this one, you can go from the center, and look at that, it made them 5 inches by 5 inches from the center. Or you could back up and go, I want them on, well, let's get in some indexing lines. I want them all from this corner. So now I'm going to select them all, and I want them to grow from that corner. And see, now that one's still in the same position. These had to move over because of the fact that they're bigger. So I'll leave a description. This is called Adjust Object Retain Position. So it's, to me, it's better than the other one because it can do more than just circles. So let's say we want these 3. Let's see what size these are. These are 4. We want these 4, let's say the middle ones, to be 5 inches from the center. And look at that. So this can do, and it's a bunch more up here of stuff I've showed off too, but this is pretty cool, and it's a lot better than just doing circles. I mean, because you could actually do the whole thing and make them all 5 by 5. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and I will leave a link to this macro at the bottom of the video. Thank you for watching.